Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a time when your vehicle broke down. You should say where you were going, who you were with, how long it took to fix the vehicle, and explain how you felt about it.
One time, my vehicle broke down while I was driving to a friend's house for a party. I was with a few friends and we were all excited to spend the evening together. We were driving on the highway when suddenly the car started making strange noises and then it came to a complete stop. We were all surprised and frustrated because we didn't expect the car to break down. We tried to start the engine a few times, but it wouldn't turn on. We called for a tow truck, and it took about an hour for the tow truck to arrive. It was a long and uncomfortable wait because we were stuck on the side of the road and it was getting dark. When the tow truck finally arrived, the driver loaded the car onto the truck and drove us to the nearest mechanic. It took a few hours for the mechanic to diagnose the problem, and we had to wait at the shop while they fixed the car. It was a stressful and inconvenient experience because we had to cancel our plans for the evening, and we were worried about the cost of the repairs. In the end, the mechanic was able to fix the car and we were able to drive home. We were relieved and grateful that the car was running again, but we were also disappointed that we missed the party. Overall, the experience of my vehicle breaking down was frustrating and inconvenient. It was a reminder that unexpected things can happen, and it's important to be prepared for them. I felt a sense of relief when the car was fixed, but I also felt disappointed that our plans for the evening were ruined. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.